Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to use Manychat on Instagram. So let's dive right in. Manychat is a powerful tool that lets you create chatbots for Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and other platforms. It allows you to automate responses, send broadcast messages, and personalize the customer journey on Instagram. So, let's move how to connect Manychat to Instagram. Go to the Manychat website at manychat.com and click on Get Started for free. Manychat will typically prompt you to select which channel you want to connect first. Choose Instagram to indicate that you primarily want to use Manychat for managing your Instagram audience, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've completed these steps, you can begin building your chatbot within Manychat. Navigate to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Automation. Next, select Basics. Within the Basics automation, you can create auto-replies for starters, story mention replies, default replies, and main menu options. Choose your desired option. For example, I am selecting story mention reply by clicking on Setup just below it. Now, on the right-hand side of the screen, click on the box containing text such as "Thanks," "Nice story," and more. Enter your desired text in the box. If you want to add more than one message, simply click on Add your message. Next, write your next message. After adding all your desired messages, click on the Save button at the bottom left side of the screen. Now, you have successfully set up your story mention reply. From here, you can set up other replies if you wish, and there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.